What's up YouTube? Luke here, bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all the Risk Racing Oil Seal Cleaner, or I think this is called the Risk Racing Oil Seal Doctor. This thing you can get on Amazon for 25 bucks. My forks are leaking and are just extremely dirty. I don't know if they're leaking. They're probably leaking because of all the dirt that's built up. I just got this bike, so I don't really know, what kind of maintenance was this bike had. So instead of taking these forks off and taking them up to the motorcycle shop to get the seals replaced, I'm going to try this first and then go ride it and see how it is. If it's fine, then honestly, I'd rather, not waste the money for now. If I get out and it's real spongy and I notice, maybe there isn't enough oil in there, or the compression isn't very good, I'll probably just end up taking them to the shop. But I wanted to try this out. All the reviews are really good on it. So basically all you're gonna need to do this is a Allen key set flathead screwdriver to get the dust seal off. I'm going to be using some contact brake cleaner today. You can also use, they have actual like Maximus and Pro Honda fork seal or fork cleaner, but this works just as well. This is contact cleaner, removes grease and oil, and then some shop towels. Okay, so this is around a 3/16. This I think this is definitely millimeters, but I don't have a metric Allen key set. I only have a UAS or whatever it's called, SAU. And so the 3/16 is going to work. I don't think it's going to strip it out or anything. So go ahead and remove these. Whew. Man, oh man, that is dirty. These needed to be cleaned so bad. Okay, here we go. There we go. This is literally, I think this is a metric size too. I mean, it fits so perfect. So. Voila. Okay, I'm gonna go clean these and I'll be right back. And we're back. That's about as clean as I'm gonna get it with the contact cleaner. I'm gonna be getting all new plastics here pretty soon, so I just wanted to kind of clean it up a little bit. These are the stock, obviously all the stock plastics. I'm going to clean from here down, get the fork completely clean, and then I'm going to take the dust seal off. Spraying this down. Clean it off a bit. There we go. While I'm at it, I'm gonna kind of clean all these too, because there's some buildup. I'm gonna take that little ring off. Boom, that easy. So you want to be really careful not to scratch the fork. I just put the flathead into that tiny little crevice between the dust seal and the upper fork, and then you just kind of wiggle it down and it will just pop right out. Boom. This is the dust seal. The fork seal sits right up in there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and try to clean this off. I'm going to clean the dust seal as well, as good as possible. And so you can actually use this seal doctor, fork seal doctor, to clean the dust seal as well. So you basically just pop this on and you can just come up like that and rotate. And that just helps to get any extra dirt out of there. I think it's a good idea to do both the dust seal and the main seal. Okay, I think I got the dust seal pretty cleaned up. There's this little gasket thing, or not gasket, there's this little O-ring thing. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's, I guess, to separate the dust seal from the fork seal. I clean that off too. Oh, you can literally just remove this. I'm gonna get my flashlight and I'm gonna try to look up inside of here just to see if I can see any big cuts or rips or anything like that, which is pretty rare, but okay, looks pretty good to me. And here we go. We're gonna pop this thing back on like that, and so a little bit of fork oil came out, sprayed out. I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen. A little bit concerning. But nonetheless, there wasn't a ton of dirt in there. I got most of it out. And there we go. So now I'm just gonna push this back up into there. Make sure the dust seal is fully seated. And then we're gonna bring this this thing up like that. Which this thing isn't even tight around here anyways, so I'm guessing that it should be a lot tighter than that. You know, you learn a lot about your bike when you're working on it yourself. And so, you know, this is all kind of learning experience, which is, it's fun, you know, it's fun to learn about your bike so that, you know, you go through trial and error, you learn things about it, and then, you know, you do research, and then you can, eventually you can just service everything yourself, which is ultimately, I think, what most people want to be able to do. And there we go. That is a cleaned fork seal. We are gonna go ahead and put this guy back on. So there you have it. That's how you clean your fork seals out with the Risk Racing Fork Seal Doctor. Not exactly sure if oil is supposed to spray out like that. So I want to do a little bit more research and figure that out. I'll put it down in the description with whatever I find out, if that is supposed to be like that or not. I didn't even put it up there that far, but it just seemed to be like one spot where it sprayed out. The rest of the way around the fork seal, it didn't. And I only got like a tiny bit of dust in there, so this thing only caught a small amount of dirt. So, you know, I don't know if that much dirt could cause a problem. I guess any amount of dirt could cause a leak. So it's a good thing to have, good thing to do. And I'm gonna take it out riding today, and we're gonna see if it continues leaking or not. Hopefully it doesn't. But anyways, that's how you do it.